Okay, my wonderful people, let me show you how to create a board, a card, okay, and a list on Trello mobile app. So in case you're using your phone. Now let's go to Trello. Did you see this button? Did you see this add button? This lemon button? Just tap on it. It will give you option. Browse template, card, board. Now let's start with creating board. We call it, what do we call it? CC testing. Okay. Now, which workspace is it? Is on my own workspace. I can choose another workspace to use, but let me just use it on my workspace. Visibility. If I make it private, it means that it's only people that I invite that will come there. If I make it workspace, anyone that has my workspace, I can see it. And now, if I make it public, it means that it's a universal. I mean, anywhere you are, you can join. Okay, let's just make it public since it's an open. The background, I can choose the background. You can see, it's either I use color to change the background, or because I love using pictures. So, let me go for a very sweet, cool picture. Let me go for a very sweet, cool picture. Okay, let me use this. I just love this. Okay, and what do I do next? I will click on create. I've created a board. You can see our board is what? Empty. My board is empty. You can see my board is empty. This is if I want to zoom. You can see this minus plus. You can see my board is what? Empty. Let me create a new list. To do as usual. Okay. To do lists. And I do what? Save. You can see I've created a new list. Okay, now if I want to add more lists, I go here and I will say doing as usual, and I've created what? A board and a list. Remember, I'm not adding any card on it. Now let me create the last one and call this one done. Okay, and I'll create. Wonderful. Let me add card here. I can decide to change. Let me use an image, just from the file. Okay. Don't look at my face. So let me just use one cool image like that. Let me use this. Did you see? I can decide to crop it the way I want. I want it to be this way, and I'll add. Did you see something? And that is that. Okay, let me add this card name. I'll call it things to do. And I'll say this is a card. Let me open the card. You can see this is the card. Let me give a description of what I want it to be. Things to deal with. Okay, this is me creating a board, a list, and a card on Trello mobile. Okay, I will save. Let me change the cover of this. Let me use this as the cover image. Okay, I picked it. I don't know why it's not loading, but share you try it on. You still load. You can see it's still coming up. It's still coming up. Okay, so look at, if I want to choose color, any of this, but I'm okay with this. Okay, I'm okay with this. Let me choose this one. Yes, I'm okay with this. You can see the card, I've added it. Things to deal with. Okay, you can see I've added the cover. Let me add a label, and I can rename this my label process. Okay, and I'll click done. Yes, I'll click done. Who are the members? If I want to invite member, let me just invite myself. I'll say done. Okay, start date. Starting tomorrow. At what time? I say morning. Yeah, morning time. Yes. Starting tomorrow. Let me add also due date. Evening, and change the date. Next Tuesday. Click done. Location. Let me choose the location. I'll say Lagos. Lagos, Nigeria. This is where the task will be carried on. Okay, so this activity, if I want to show the details, okay, let me add I'm trying to add something else. Okay, this is an attachment. If I want to attach a file, I can pick it from anywhere. Okay, I can pick it from anywhere. Just attach a file showing something. I'll just click save. Okay, so this is just a smart and simple way of creating board card, okay, on Trello. You can see the way I was able to do it. Very, very easy. I can share the card, I can move the card, I can archive the card, I can delete the card, I can pin it to the screen. Now let me move the card. Where do I want to move it? Let me move it where? It's currently where? On to do. Let me move it on doing and watch what is going to happen. Position. Let it be number 1 position. I've moved the card, okay? So this is it. You see? So this is card I created here. Remember I created this card from the to-do list and I moved it where? To this place. Okay? So this is how to create card on Trello. In what? In 6 minutes. Thank you. I hope you find this very, very interesting. Okay? My name is Austin.